So today I wanted to show you the best way to practice portrait drawings. So the very first thing you need to do is actually choose a reference image who has good lighting and who actually shows the planes of the face. This is actually going to make it way easier for you to draw. Instead of choosing a complicated image, take it back to the basics. Like, go to an image with like a mannequin head with good lighting and you know where the shading goes. And then it makes it way easier for you to draw. The second thing I need you to do is to add a little challenge. So instead of using the same gray color that you see the reference has, try to make yourself have a challenge by using a different color like green, blue, maybe like some type of light purple or something like that. And it adds a little bit more of a challenge for you to try to learn how to shade properly. The third thing is to actually block in the first color. So I put the whole green and then I started shading. So try to block in it one color first. The fourth part is actually the shading. So just like you see how I did, I started with the shading a little bit lighter than I usually do, just to make sure that the shading is actually correct. And right after this, go straight to making it a little bit darker because you know where your shading is actually going, just like you see right there. And the last part is when you're confident about your shading and you already completed everything, just try to do some detailing. So if you see that you need to add a little bit more on the shading, add that. If you want to add a little bit like some highlights, this is what I'm trying to do right now, and it adds a little bit of more detailing, making it look like the head is a little bit shiny or anything like that. But that's the last part. So this is the end of the tutorial. Tell me what you think in the comments, subscribe, and all of that, and more videos coming soon. But yeah, I'm out. Peace.